स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट से उस पर डिस्कस करेंगे.
He has missed the bus. Dr. John Brittas.
Sir, though my question is not directly linked to the original question, since the Honorable Minister is very ebullient and erudite, and also since he spoke about the facilities being extended to the passengers, I would ask a specific question with your indulgence, sir, that since he is vocal about the facilities to the passengers, there are constraints and difficulties that are heaped on the passengers because of discontinuation of the concessions for the senior citizens, and since there is a premium tatkal which has been brought in to fleece the passengers, since conversion of the sleeper and general compartments to AC, so will he review his stand? And also through your good officer, I will extend all my best wishes for his future endeavors.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
Honorable Minister.
Honorable Chairman, sir. First of all, the Honorable, very, very erudite member and
very, very
erudite member and very and senior most member.
There may be a caveat from the chair.
Yes, sir. So,
not on your intellect, on its direction only. Go ahead.
So, Honorable Member could not ask a question. He has made some comments which are very misleading comments, and I fully respect all the points that he has made. If he has any specific questions which is related to the particular question right now being discussed, definitely he is most welcome to come and discuss any particular ROB or RUB, flyover or underpass in Kerala or his area, so that we can discuss and find a solution to it.
Before that, he has missed the bus but not plane. Okay, 1 second.
Sir, now this is the second instance.
No, but he will not have enough time.
Second instance in one day.
30 seconds.
That a member shoots and scoots. This is the second instance. First I had the case of Dal. Now we have the case. So this, what will be the, I want a ruling, what will happen to a member who makes false allegations or just sensationalizes an issue to try and draw attention to which is something which is not factual. If found so, what action will be taken against such a member?
But, Honorable Minister.
Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir,
Minister.
This is a matter of great importance. This is a matter of great importance. If any honorable member, in the garb of asking a question, is plainly making allegations which are baseless, absolutely false, have absolutely no direction, then what should be the treatment, what should be punishment to that particular honorable member?
Let me tell you,
Honorable Chairman.
and let me take the House in confidence. 1 second. No. I look into all aspects. Honorable members. Yes. 1 second. Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal.
सर, मेरा सिर्फ छोटा सा सवाल आपके जरिए यही है कि ये ब्रिज काफी लंबे अरसे से बन रहा है, उसकी टाइम लिमिट क्या थी और अभी तक खत्म नहीं किया है आरएनबी डिपार्टमेंट।
ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर।
मैं सर, इस ब्रिज के अप्रोच रोड पे काम चल रहा है अभी, गर्डर इसका फैब्रिकेशन हो रहा है, इसका काम बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है और बहुत जल्दी ये कंप्लीट भी हो जाएगा। इसमें कुछ शुरू में दिक्कतें आई थी।
शक्ति सिंह जी जानना चाहते हैं कि आप शक्ति का उपयोग कर गति शक्ति का उपयोग कर ये कब तक पूरा कर देंगे, ये जानना चाहते हैं।
जल्दी से जल्दी कर देंगे, जल्दी से जल्दी कर।
ये 3-4 साल से ब्रिज का काम चल रहा है।
The House will meet at 2 p.m. today. Honorable members, I I am pleased to extend advance birthday greetings to Honorable Member of Parliament, Srimati Mahua Maji. Her birthday is on 10th December. That also happens to be International Human Rights Day. She has been a member of this August House since July 2022 and had headed the Jharkhand Women Commission. A doctorate in sociology, Srimati Maji is also known for her writings that have won her national and international repute. She is married to Sri Subodh Kumar Maji and has two sons, Somvit and Shomik. On my own and your behalf, I wish her a long, healthy and happy life.